Are you a handyman or woman with your own business? It's time to bring that business into the 21st century. Did you know that, in today's world, having your very own professional mobile app could help increase your sales and streamline your business? With your own mobile app, you can showcase and provide your potential customers with a full list of your services, pricing, portfolio, and gallery of your previous jobs and reviews. Display your contact details and all the information a potential customer may need right from the palm of their hand. Do you want to explode your customer loyalty and repeat business? What better way to reward your customers than with your own in-app loyalty program? You can offer discounted offers and reward systems. Your customers will love you for this, and it instantly increases the chances of booking a job. Maybe you have a special offer on if you book repeat jobs this weekend only, then you'll get 10% off all jobs the month ahead. So how would you let potential customers know about this offer? You can use your very own in-app push notification system that will send a message directly to their phone. This has a much better deliverability and open rate when compared with emails, local newspaper ads, social media, and other forms of advertising, helping you easily reach potential and repeat customers, all while boosting your business's revenue. In today's world, an app provides you and your customers an easier and better way to access your available services, pricing, deals, special offers, information, and much more. So why not get in contact today for a free no-obligation quote on an amazing and affordable app for your business?